Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another little ride. So I'm out on my S22 for a quick early morning ride because the weather turned from really bad to really good. So I thought to myself, let's get out, let's get going, and I thought I'd bring you guys along. It's purely just a testing ride. I'm testing the HOLLYLAND LARK M2 mic setup. So it's currently hanging around my neck with the dead cat on, and it's magnetic, and it just clips on and clips off, and it is connected to my very old Osmo Action DJI Osmo Action, the first generation one. So I want to see how this works. I got it from Amazon, and I'm going to test it out on this ride this morning and just see how it is. So it's just going to be a lot of babble really, and some riding. I just want to see how it compares to my my Synco. I think it's a G1 mic. Now I'm going to ride the first bit, the section down to the canal without noise cancelling on, or ambient noise cancellation on. Sorry, it's going to be off. And then the section next to the canal, I'm going to turn the noise cancellation on to see how that works. So hopefully this will work, because it's a much smaller setup compared to what I have now, and way more fitting options. And yeah, it needs to work for me, otherwise it's going to go back. So and I also want to test it also in the motorbike, because the motorbike is pretty much where I've got the most problems for some bizarre reason. I think because the mic is so close to my mouth, it just distorts. So it's just too much sound, and I can't turn the mics that I've got down enough to be able to have non-distortion. So yeah, we're gonna check it out, see how it works, and then hopefully it will be good. So let's get going. So what is already better compared to my other mic is when I do my voice commands to activate it. It's much more responsive. Now I don't know. It is. I would expect, because this mic's pickup is probably way more sensitive, and they've got AI built into it that really sort of sorts out all the noises. Well, that's what they are saying. And I must say, I would really like to get this setup sorted, a bit of a refresh without spending too much money. You know, if I can reuse my camera, because my camera is probably the most expensive part of my kit, and if I can reuse the camera, or give the camera another year of life, then woo, it's lovely, man, lovely. Then it's a massive bonus, because this LARK M2 mic setup costs I think it's about £130 if you go for the camera version only. I don't know why I'm weaving like this, but morning. I don't know why I'm weaving like this, but isn't this what you have to do on an electric unicycle? I'm just kidding. But yeah, I don't have a full battery charge, so I'm just going to be going for a quick little ride. Shoo! So nice. Get the legs waking up. But yeah, this is sort of my main thing. You know, all these things with the easy clip-on systems and this and that and the other. It's always good to test it for yourself. You know, you can get a lot of information on the internet that gives you an idea if it's going to work for you, but sometimes the guys don't test it like how you're going to use it. If you're going to be going on trails and the magnets, for instance, is not strong enough, and the jarring movements of the wheel and you trying to keep upright, the magnets might just not be strong enough to actually hold it. So till you try that out, it's going to be you would not know. So as you can see, it's like a tiny little mic that's clipped into a lanyard around my neck, and it's and the thing is, you know, as I was saying, like the jarring effect of you going through bumps and stuff, you know, if there's too many shocks, you know, most of the magnets just the stuff just slides off. But this one so far, because it's the mic itself, it's like super light, that it just hangs there. We will see. And the other thing that's quite nice as well is when you turn the noise cancellation on, it is there's a clear light. Mine doesn't. I don't know if the noise cancellation is on or off. I don't know what the volume is. I don't know. I don't know none of the settings. You know, I don't know if the mic volume is on the plus or if it's on the minus, and I don't know if the low cut pass filter is on or off. Listen, I can't complain about my previous mic. It's just because it is now a good what's about 4 years old, so it still works perfect. But more visuals and better technology, the stuff moves along so quickly. And because this thing is so tiny, and with a different clip-on features, it sounds to me like a win. And this little camera of mine, as I said earlier, if I can get another year out of it, that would be awesome. Because it shoots 4K 60, so don't really need anything else. The thing that would be nice is the super view that you get on the GoPros, like you get on the new Action 4. So that will be really nice, but we will see. I don't really need it. It's not a necessity. I just need to have good quality video. But yeah, the main thing is really the audio. Okay, so hopefully this section from the top of the hill all the way down to the canal, you know, I was doing my normal 15 to 20 miles an hour, the usual riding speed and whatever, just to get into the swing of things. But then now there's a little button on the side that if I press it, then the lights go from, what is it? I just had to quickly check how this works because the sun is pretty bright. So it goes from the normal blue to the green. So now the noise cancellation is on. So this is usually when your voice starts sounding like a robot. So yeah, this is now on. And then let's go next to the canal and let's go and check it out. But man, so far very happy. The little camera receiver is almost half the size compared to my Synco mic, and the Synco mic is the same size as the Rode Wireless Go and all the other that style mics. So it's this little square block. Again, not humongous, but if you look at this little thing, it's super tiny. And that's quite cool. So now we have the noise cancellation on, and let me know if this makes any specific difference. But yeah, my main concern is excuse me. My main concern is because the mic, the pickup is on the top of the little round disc, and the dead cat is now over it. This is now full force in the wind on my chest. So be interesting to see if this is now if this works. Oh, we've got a little deer here in the front. But yeah, this yesterday was the first day. Little deer. This was the first day that I was able to ride to work on the wheel. There was I had to go to a event, and I had to go in with the car, and sorry, I had to go in with the wheel, and yeah, the canal is eventually low enough that I can get past, because previously, as you guys have seen in my previous videos, been complaining about the weather and also the amount of water. It looks like the canals have been going down very steadily, and they had to fix a lot of the canal banks because it's been busted really, and it looks like it's now clear. It's not fully fixed because there's still massive gouges that I had to walk through, just because it was just way too dug out. So the water was just destroying it all. Pretty epic, really. Not seen this in the, what is it, 11, 12 years that I've lived here, where we had this bad flooding. So interesting. So yeah, the guys are going to be busy in the next months, where they're going to be sorting out all the canal paths and stuff like that. Oh man, it's so beautiful to be out this early in the morning. See, the fishermen were standing there staring at the water, waiting for the fish to bite, hoping that their bit of bait that they put on is gonna lure the fish in the false sense of free food or luxurious food. Yeah, this section of the canal was pretty blocked with mud and flooding, and now it's gone down enough that I can really ride down here again. But I see it's quite a lot of little motorbike tracks, and let's hope they been ripping up this canal path. Whoa. I'm actually starting to get warm. But this is this section. You can see it's pretty rough here. All the, what do you call it? The mud is dried, and now it's just like an and the bikes has gone through here, and it just creates all these little slits in the ground. And what that does, it gives you some good workout on the shock. And also hidden between the grass is like super dry mud, or dry mud that's got a nice little bank on the one side, and you need to be quick if that's going to throw you off. This is the nice thing of having a suspension. Jeez man, going through this with my Sherman would be a leg workout galore. It's already a leg workout on this wheel. Someone asked a very interesting question on Reddit. They're saying, so why do so many EUC riders record themselves? Thought myself, he didn't mind it. He was just like interested to find out why people do this. For me personally, I would like to share the experience of me riding here in the UK, and you know, the joys of it, really, because this is why I do it, and this is why I feel it's always nice to share something that is nice. It's like people sharing mountain bike rides and sharing routes for cycling. It's always when you find something nice and it's really cool, and you would like to share that information and also get more people exposed to it, because that's sort of my other reason for it, is to make people aware of these things. This is not just EUCs, but e-scooters, e-bikes, and so forth. Just so they can say, I saw this guy on a single wheel. I am keen to try something like this out. And that then just big cows. These boys. So this is now not good. It's a whole herd here of cows. Yeah, Bruce? No? There's no bull here, no? They want to get between him and the Carvosaurus. Let's go. Yes, they make these humongous cow pies. Yeah? Okay, Brute. Move along. Ugh. Yes. The flies are epic. And the loose cow pat. Freaking hell. It's fresh. Fresh cow pie in the nose. Now, if coffee doesn't kick you up, now that cow pie smell will definitely do that. So all the fresh grass makes the system loose. Now the key here is just to try and dodge the loose cow pie. You know, and I don't know if you guys have got the same feel when you wear sunglasses. Sometimes, like when you go between sort of bright and dim areas, and the glasses is not light enough. Oh, another lot of cow pie. It sort of makes you that you can't see that well. It's almost like the glasses sort of hinders your vision. Not in a bad way, but it's just not. Better close this gate. There we go. So it sort of just makes it's not like it doesn't make it clear. It just I think it's the eyes that the eyes need to adjust to the bright areas where the sunglasses really help, compared to the not so bright in the shady areas where your eyes need to adjust. So it's probably my eyes rather than the glasses. But yeah, guys, now again, I'm still on the noise cancellation mode. I hope the video comes out okay. But yeah, what actually happened is, so I ordered this one with a combo kit, and the combo kit comes with a few other bits as well, where you can connect straight into your iPhone or straight into your Android phone or any device that's got USB-C. So if you've got a DJI Pocket or anything with a USB-C port, it seems to work. So again, you've got your little magnetic clip on, and then this thing just basically sort of hooks on, and then that's it, and it just picks it up. So it's another massive win. But what happened is they sent me the wrong kit. So I wanted the combo kit to try out everything, and they only sent me the camera kit, and the camera kit doesn't have the two little additional for the iPhone and for like Android or anything else, the USB-C connector, really. What I would call the universal connector compared to the iPhone's really legacy lightning adapter. It's freaking useless in this day and age. But yeah, so so I wanted to try that. So they sent the wrong kit. So I'm just going to test this and see if it works. I'm going to go out on the motorbike a little while later and try this out, see how it works if I lob it into the inside of my helmet. And if this works, then yes, I'll send this kit back and then request a refund, and then do a, what do you call it, order the one that I paid for, really, because the camera one is a few pounds cheaper to the combo. The combo is, I think it's about 165, where the camera version is 130, I think. So yeah, super impressed. I hope the audio is good. Let me stop here. Oh man, let me tell you one thingy. This is brilliant. And just to finish off, yeah. So why do I record these things? And as I said, you know, it's to share the knowledge, share the like the experiences of riding one of these things, showing people how it looks around the area, and also sort of capturing for myself what I've done, what I've ridden, how the day was, and that I can review back. And the last thing is to share this stuff with the family in other parts in the world, wherever they are. So it's an all-round thing of just sharing it out. It also allows me to learn a little bit more about video editing and this and that and the other. Yeah, trying different things without spending too much money. Okay, guys, thanks for listening to all the waffle, and I hope the audio is good. And then I will see you on the next ride. Thanks for coming along. Cheers.